In this video, I'm going to show you how to add layers inside a Bluebeam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to open up Bluebeam and open up your document that you'd like to add layers inside. So I've just got this house plan for this demonstration. Now, once I've opened it up, I want to go ahead and click onto the layers tab on the left hand side. So make sure we're inside of that. Then from here on the top of the program, click onto Windows and then find Panels, and now we need to find Layers as well. So make sure Layers is selected. So where is it? Layers. So yeah, basically you can open it with Alt plus Y as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Alt and Y. That's going to open up Layers. Now, once we've got that little windows open, we can go ahead and click on the plus icon to add a new layer. We can add a layer before or after. So if I want to go ahead and add a layer after, I'm going to choose that, give this layer a name. So I'm going to call this a test, click on OK. And now we can see we've got this layer inside of here. So we can view it and unview it. So yeah, you can add as many layers as you like. So I'm going to add a before layer. I'm going to call this before 1 and click on OK. So you can see these layers are being added in.